Hello children, today I am going to teach you some food. We get food from plants and trees. Some eatables that we get from plants and trees. Now we learned earlier about trees and parts of a tree we learn. We learn about trees, and today we are going to learn about vegetables, the eatables that we get from plants and trees. Now here, why we want vegetables? We want vegetables to get vitamins and minerals and fiber. When you eat vegetables, we get all vitamins. Most of the vitamins we are getting from vegetables, and minerals and fiber. Okay. Now I am going to teach you some vegetables that we are getting from plants and trees. Here, this is a vegetable. Everybody loves to eat this vegetable. We call this carrot. What do you call it? Carrot. And here another one, lady's fingers. We call this lady's fingers. Okay. Now the next one, leeks. What is this? Leeks. And here another one, pumpkin. Pumpkin. Here, cabbage. What do you call this? Cabbage. And here another one, brinjal. What do you call this? Brinjal. Here, this is little bit hot, but it's give you vitamins. Here, we call this capsicum. Capsicum, right? And the other one here, beans. Beans. Now we'll read them again. The first one, carrot. Carrot. And here, lady's fingers. Lady's fingers. And here, leeks. Leeks. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Cabbage. Cabbage. Brinjal. Brinjal. Capsicum. Capsicum. And the last one, beans. All these vegetables gives us vitamins, minerals and fiber. Remember children, you must eat all these vegetables to get these vitamins, minerals and fiber. This you can eat it raw, carrot like those things. There are some more vegetables are there. I will now here very few vegetables are there, but there are vegetables called loofah, tomatoes, and potato, then beetroot, onion. Those are also vegetables, right? Now here a few vegetables, I have some pictures here, but can you remember children? Now these vegetables are some grow in plants, some in trees, some roots vegetables are there. Now plants, now ladies' fingers, brinjal, leeks, cabbage, those are plants. And carrot, potato, beetroot, onion, those are root vegetables. Okay? Some have many seeds, some have few seeds, some have one seed. Okay? Now I want to tell you. Now pumpkin, it's a big, like a big fruit. Inside it, when you cut it, you get lot of seeds inside that. And cucumber also, you get lot of seeds. And bitter gourd, that's a bitter one. You don't like to eat that, but it is also give you lot of vitamins and good for your health. That also have some few seeds. Okay. Now carrot and what is cabbage and beetroot, they all have growing underground, but it don't have seeds. Beans and brinjal, capsicum, those vegetables have lot of seeds. Okay. Now remember children, these vegetables gives us vitamins, minerals and fiber. Your mother will cook for you and give you all these good food. Remember, you must eat it without throwing. It's good for your health. Your mother knows it better than you. So make her happy without troubling her. Eat well. Lot of vegetables are good for your health, and then you can have a good skin, your hair will grow, your teeth will not get any cavities or anything. Now it's good for your health. For you to grow, you need vitamins and minerals and fiber too. So please eat lot of vegetables and have a good health. And I would like to sing a small song for you about mother's cooking. Okay, mother used to bring vegetables and cook. Why she is cooking for you? Why she is cooking? That is for your family, for you and your family, right? I will sing that song, very short song for you to remember. Okay? Cook like mommy, yum, yum, yum. Cook like mommy, yum, yum, yum. Cook like mommy, yum, yum, yum. Let's say fun together. Okay? Thank you for listening, children. Hope you enjoyed the lesson, and I want you to enjoy your mother's meals and get good health and have a good skin and nice hair after eating vegetables. Okay? Thank you for listening. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and enjoy your learning. Thank you.